Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn about Rainforest Colors. It's definitely it's a nonfiction book here, and it's going to be really interesting. So let's learn what we all can learn about these creatures that live in the rainforest. It's called Rainforest Colors. It's by Janet Lawler, and it's published by the National Geographic. So let's go ahead and read this book. Did you know more than half the different kinds of plants and animals in the world live in the rainforest? You learn your colors while exploring tropical rainforest. A rainforest is a woodland in a very warm and rainy place. Many colorful animals live there. See bright blues, glittering greens, rich reds, and more. Travel from the shady forest floor to the moist mud flats to towering treetops. Along the way, discover new rainforest friends on your worldwide adventure. Keep a lookout for colors. So we're going to keep a lookout for colors. So here we go. Blue, Ulysses butterfly. Blue wings on this butterfly are bright and easy to see among decaying leaves on the forest floor. Would you notice Ulysses butterflies if its wings were closed up? Maybe not. The underside of the wings are mostly dark brown. Did you know these butterflies are attracted to the color blue and may mistake other blue objects for butterflies? The Ulysses rainforest of Australia and New Zealand in Southeast Asia. Its wingspan about as wide as a slice of bread. It likes to eat rotting fruit and saps and pollens. Something that would kill one of them is a bird, and their babies, their females lay eggs on tree leaves, hatched caterpillars later feed on the leaves. What color is the butterfly's body? What color is this? Do you see it? Is it maybe green? Looks like a green to me. Yellow. Orb Weaver spiders. Yellow brightens the back of a long-horned spiny orb weaver. This busy spider is spinning a web attached to a leaf. Can you see the fine silk threads near the spider's front legs? Did you know most orb weaver spiders spin wheel-shaped webs? That's pretty interesting. What colors on the back of this spider? What colors are all up here? See them? I see a little bit of red, some black dots, and yellow. Different orb weavers are found in many parts of the world, including rainforests. Size will vary from smaller than a pea to several inches or centimeters. It likes to eat other insects and small organisms. Birds, wasps, gamflies, and other insects and other spiders like to eat them. Females lay hundreds of eggs in a sack. Red, Scarlet Abyss. Red wings of the Scarlet Abyss flap like flags in a breeze. These large birds often perch in groups high in mangrove trees. Why do you think the abyss has such a long beak? It fishes and pokes for food and water, mud, and cracks in the ground. Did you know young abyss first fly when they are about 40 days old? Isn't it beautiful? I think it's pretty. Isn't it pretty? Its home is in the tropical lagoon bays, swamps, and mudflats of northern and South America and some Caribbean islands, some inland locations. It's about the size of a duck. It likes to eat crabs, shrimp, and other crustaceans, mollusks, insects, small fish, and frogs. Predators are large cats and humans. 3 to 5 hatchlings 3 weeks after eggs are laid in a treetop nest. What color are the wings? What color are the wings? Do you see them? I see a little bit of red, a little bit of orange, and a little bit of white. Do you see that? It's pretty cool, huh? Brown tree kangaroo. Brown tree kangaroos peek over a moss-covered log. They may soon climb a tree to sleep or munch on leaves. Does the tree kangaroo remind you of a bear? Unlike a bear, a tree kangaroo has a long, strong tail. A tree kangaroo can safely jump down from more than 50 feet up in a tree. Can you imagine jumping 50 feet from the tree? That's pretty far, isn't it? Its home is in the rainforest of New Guinea, parts of Australia, and nearby islands. It's about the size of a medium-small dog. Its tail is about as long as its body. It likes to eat tree leaves, roots, ferns, moss, fruit, flowers, grass, some bird eggs, and insects. New Guinea harpy eagles like to feed on them, so does pythons and humans. Babies, one about an inch long that climbs into a female pouch where it lives for several months. So they have a pouch on them to carry the babies. Isn't that kind of cool? White. Sulfur crested cockatoo. White as snow, this cockatoo is crowned with a yellow crest that matches the underside of its wings and tail. What do you think the cockatoo is doing? Perhaps it's keeping watch while others in its flocks feed. The fanned out crest might show it's scared and about to call warning. Did you know? Cockatoos usually mate for life, which in the wild can be more than 40 years. You see the cockatoo? Its home is a woodland and forest, including rainforests, of Australia, New Zealand, and Aru Islands. It's about the size of a small raven. It likes to eat seeds, nuts, fruits, berries, roots, and some insects. There's predators or birds of prey such as eagles and kites, snakes preying on nestlings, humans, and babies. Females lay 2 to 3 eggs that take about 3 to 4 weeks to hatch. Do you see it? Orange, orangutan. Orange fur on this orangutan glows in the sunlight. What do you think she's doing? Maybe she's about to grab another branch or pluck some ferns to eat. Did you know at night an orangutan bends branches to make a bed high in the trees? Do you see the orangutan? Orangutan live in a rainforest on the island of Borneo in Sumatra. Weighs about as much as a small human of the same sex. Food, mostly fruit, leaves, shoots, seeds, nuts, and bark of more than 400 kinds of plants, insects, occasional eggs, and small animals. Its only predator would be us humans. The babies, the female gives birth to one about every 8 years. 8 years they get to have a baby. Green, crested iguana. Green is the perfect color to help the crested iguana hide among the trees and bushes. How do you think this large lizard climbs and holds onto the branches? It uses its strong legs and long, sharp claws. Did you know the iguana changes color from green to black when excited or scared? Do you see it? What color are around the nostrils? What color is this? Do you see this? What color is that? Is that yellow? The crested iguana, its home is in the rain-shadow forests of a few of the Fiji Islands. It's about the size of a large brown rat. It likes to live on leaves, fruits, flowers, or trees and shrubs, especially the hibiscus flowers of the vau tree. Predators are wild cats and dogs and humans. They have baby females lay about 4 eggs in a burrow. Eggs hatch several months later. Do you see them? Purple honeycreeper. Purple feathers on the honeycreeper are fluffy and delicate for flying. These birds are always busy flitting about and feeding on flowers, fruits, and insects. Do you think this one will sit on the branch for very long? Did you know in midair this quick bird snatches flying insects with its long bill? See it? What colors are the feet? What color is this feet? What color do you see here on their feet? What's on their feet? Is it yellow? The purple honeycreeper lives in the Amazon rainforest and other forest plantations and gardens of northern South America and the Caribbean. It's about the size of a pet store canary. It likes to eat insects, nectars, and fruits. Birds of prey prey on this bird. The babies, their female lays 1 or 2 eggs in small cup nests in the tree. Pink fiddler crab. Pink can grab attention. This male fiddler crab will wave its large front claws to attract a mate. Do you see the crab's eyes on the top of those long stalks? He may have spotted a female to invite into his mud-flat burrow. The male fiddler's front claw is about the half of its weight. Do you see his eyes? Do you see the eyes? Its home is in the mudflats, beaches, mangroves, and forests, and marshes of mild and tropical seacoasts worldwide. It's about the size of a thumbnail, up to about 2 inches. It feeds on algae and other tiny organisms found in sand or mud. Predators are shorebirds, other crabs, small mammals such as raccoon and foxes. Babies or females release eggs into the water as larvae. Black colobus monkey. Black colobus monkey, like this one, spend most of their days and nights high in the rainforest canopy. See the monkey's long arms and fingers and toes? These help it swing and climb through trees like a gymnast on bars. Did you know the black colobus monkey babies are born in brown fur that changes to black after a few months? See the long arms and the fingers and the big powerful legs? Do you see them all? Oh, I see them. It roams the rainforest, a small area in coastal western Africa. It weighs about as much as a large raccoon. It feeds mostly on hard seeds, nuts, and unripe fruit and leaves. The predators are humans, possibly leopards and eagles. Babies are born to a female, give birth to one at a time, sometimes two, about every 20 months. And all these animals come from rainforest. See the green in there? That's rainforest area. It goes all the way around our world. All of our different continents have a rainforest in some form or other. And it's a very good, interesting book. It tells you the colors and it tells you about the animals. It's fascinating. I just love to hear about them. And the book's here at the library if you would like to come and maybe check it out and look at the animals from Amazon for yourself. See y'all later. Bye.